Hi there, Majid Musa here today at NDS, and today I'm going to show you how to install PowerShell on your macOS. PowerShell is a powerful scripting language that's super useful for automation and configuration management. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to open up our terminal. We're going to use this terminal to install PowerShell on our computer. And in order to do that, we're going to follow the resource given by Microsoft. You can find this on the Microsoft Learn website under the PowerShell section. Links to this will be in the description below for this video. And on this article, it's essentially just showing you the different ways that you can install PowerShell on your computer, on your Mac. But it's giving us essentially a prerequisite of understanding that it will only run this version of PowerShell 7 to only run on a macOS 11 and higher. So keep that in mind before you follow this next couple of steps. And as we go lower, we can see these are the various ways that you can install PowerShell on your macOS. So the first one is using Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager for Mac, and we're going to be using this step. We're following the step to install our PowerShell. The second way is direct download. And then the third way is through the binary archives. But like I said, we're going to be using Homebrew. But with Homebrew, you have to actually install Homebrew on your computer if you don't already have it. And in order to do that, we just need to copy this script right here, to install Homebrew, and go over to our terminal and paste it. I already have Homebrew installed, but should just override it. It's asking for your password, your computer password. So you give it the computer password, and it's just showing you the script that's going to be installed. And we just click enter again, and then, Homebrew is downloading and installing. So while that's happening, we'll go back here. And the next thing for us to do, once the Homebrew has successfully been installed on the computer, is to now finally install PowerShell. So we can see it's all done. We can now install PowerShell, and we can do that by putting in down this brew script. It's essentially brew install PowerShell tap PowerShell. You can copy this, go over to the terminal, paste it. I already have PowerShell installed on my computer, but I'm going to override it. So I will receive a warning, but you shouldn't receive a warning. You should just go through. So I'm going to go enter. And like I said, I got the warning. Your PowerShell is already installed and up to date. To reinstall 7.4.2, run below. So I'm going to run this, but for you, you should already just see it running and downloading on its own. But like this. So yeah, for me, it's reinstalling, but this is how it works. And finally, once the installation is done, we can then just do a quick verification by running this script. And this script will essentially just show you the latest version of PowerShell that's on your computer. Yeah, it's all done. And if any errors or updates are needed, to show, but let's see. Run this. And there we go. So the new PowerShell stable release is available, 7.4.3. Upgrade now. I'll check out the release page over here. But yeah, essentially it just shows that this is what version of PowerShell is currently running on our system. And there you have it. We've completed the installation of PowerShell on the macOS. And that's it. We've successfully installed PowerShell on our macOS. Hopefully with this, you can start using it for all your automation and scripting needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.